Today we have a Pedego E bike, 20 inch, and the battery's bad. So you can go to Pedego, you can get a replacement battery, 48 volt, 10 amp hour, anywhere from 800 to 1,000 bucks, guaranteed for 5 years. What a deal, huh? Well, I didn't want to do that kind of deal for two reasons. I didn't want to spend that kind of money for a battery that's not even worth half that much, and also I wanted to increase the amp hour so I get more of a ride out of it than just the factory 25-mile version. So what we're doing this here, it's very simple. This here, 4 pins. Original battery goes in, locks in place, correct? Understood? Alright, so behind this, all these are, 2 of these are used for charging, 2 of these are used for powering the bike. This here, as you already know, is your charge port. Right there, you got a 2-pinner, 3-pin, whatever it is, right? We don't care about that anymore, ignore it. You're going to pop this out. There's 2 screws, one there, one down here at the very, very bottom. I've already done that for you. Pulls this out. Not much to it. Disconnect this. We don't care about this anymore. Disconnect this. Guess what? We don't care about this at all. This here, I've already pulled it back to the channel a little bit. Why? Because I went out and sourced a 48 volt battery that had a 17 amp hour life. Came with the battery and the tray the battery goes in. Alright, so what are we going to do, gang? We're going to take and we're going to mount this guy right here. We're going to connect this to here to power the bike. All the charging will happen off of the bike, meaning we're going to remove the battery, take it over to a charge station and charge it that way. So this is going to be permanent all the time now. Now the next thing we're going to do is, well, how the heck are we going to put this in here? Well, I've got a plan. It's got a big gap, right? First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tape this down to the very bottom of this channel, like something like that, just to get it out of the way. Then I'm going to take anything that I want. I'm going to use aluminum foil, most likely. And I'm going to fill it in here, fill it all the way along, fill it here, and fill it along here. Why am I going to do that? Because guess what, guys? I'm going to put spray foam in here. So I'm going to fill this void with spray foam so shit can't get in there. And I'm putting in the aluminum foil or whatever you want to use just so that it doesn't stick to all these contacts. So I don't want that to be a thing. And just in case, you know, I want to sell the bike and bring it back to original, I still can.